You think you're broken because love hurts you. But what if you're not broken at all? What if love isn't what's hurting you? What if it's what's waking you up? You fall in love. It feels beautiful at first. Safe. Expansive. Like you're finally seen. But soon, something shifts. You get anxious when they don't text back. You feel unworthy when they pull away. You sabotage, you cling, you shut down. And then you ask yourself, what's wrong with me? The answer, nothing is wrong with you. But everything you never healed is rising to the surface. Love has an inconvenient superpower. It awakens your old wounds. You see, the moment someone truly matters to you, your nervous system reactivates the exact places where you once felt abandoned, unloved, unseen. You don't react to them, you react to your past, through them. And this, believe it or not, is your chance to finally grow beyond it. Philosophers across time knew this truth. Carl Jung said, "Until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life and you will call it fate." Love gives you that chance. It shines a flashlight into your unconscious. Into your childhood. Into the parts you had to bury just to survive. Into the shame, the fear, the story that says you're too much or not enough. It's painful, yes. But it's not destruction. It's revelation. And in this age, our time, with all its distractions, dating apps, and curated identities, real connection is one of the few forces left that still has the power to crack you open. Not to break you. To free you. You're not supposed to avoid these feelings. You're supposed to meet them. Because every trigger is an invitation. Every discomfort is a doorway. Every moment of jealousy, anxiety, or insecurity is a message from your younger self, asking to be felt. Hurt. Loved. In the ancient philosophy of Rumi, love was the path to union not just with another, but with your own soul. The wound is the place where the light enters you, he wrote. You want to heal? Then let yourself be wounded. Not by toxicity, but by truth. Let love burn away your masks. Let it show you where you're still hiding. You don't need a perfect partner to do this. You don't even need to be in a relationship. You just need to pay attention to how your heart responds when someone matters. How your body tenses when love gets close. That's your curriculum. That's your work. And it's not punishment, it's liberation. We live in a world that tells you love should feel easy. But the truth is, love feels hard when your inner world is still carrying invisible weight. So don't run from the struggle. Face it. Because what you feel is not just pain. It's potential. Imagine this, you use your next heartbreak not to close down, but to break open. You use your next conflict not to blame, but to reflect. You learn how to stay present with your fear instead of fleeing it. That's how you become free. Love becomes your teacher. Your relationships become your mirror. And your old wounds? They become portals to new strength. When you stop blaming yourself for being triggered, and start listening to what the trigger is pointing to, you begin to rewrite your entire emotional architecture. You rewire your nervous system. You shift from reactivity to awareness. From patterns to power. And slowly, your inner child doesn't have to scream anymore. Because you're finally listening. You're finally there. This is how love helps you grow. This is how pain becomes purpose. So the next time love hurts, ask yourself, what part of me is waking up right now? And then welcome it. You are not broken. You are being invited to heal. If you want more videos that help you make sense of love, pain, and the deeper truth of being human, subscribe to our channel. You're not alone on this path. And the journey is worth it.